Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to see how to dismantle the laptop. This is the basic parts of the laptop. So pause and look into it. These are the tools required to open the laptop. So we have used a small screwdriver model of 810. Now we are going to see how we can open the laptop. So this laptop is 2011 model. This holes consists of screws. In this holes we have screw of cross 2.0, so we are using small screwdriver. That green color screwdriver that's visible, that we are using. After removing screws backside, first thing we need to remove is our keyboard. That is a detachable keyboard, so we can easily remove from that slot. This strip cable and connector belongs to the USB ports connected below. This strip and connector belongs to the keyboard that we have removed. So after removing the keyboard, bottom aluminum plate we have screws. So this is the top of the laptop. Now we are removing each screw. All screws may differ, so we need to segregate differently because we should not match or confuse with each and every screws. So now we have removed all screws at top. So now I am removing this top layer where it has a mouse pad and keyboard. Bottom of this we have all circuit boards, so we should be very careful while removing this. Now this is the motherboard. In this we have cooling fan near the processor. This is the processor unit. Found that Toshiba hard disk is connected with the motherboard. Then that motherboard is connected with supply board where the battery is connected. Now that USB board is also connected with motherboard. So this strip connector is linked with the USB connector. So we are removing this also. So on removing this we are disconnecting motherboard with the system. Now this is the back side of the motherboard. So if any part fails, we should change like this individually. Each and every board part is available in online, so we can buy and fix. So it should be done by only professional. It's for educational purpose only. After this video, I have assembled all the parts safely. These are the example spare parts that are available in market. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe and share.